This is for you, Dad. Episode 3, Physical. Your body is the first home your family has ever known. Your arms were the first safe place. Your voice was the first calm in the storm. Your presence, physically in the room, has always been enough. This episode is for you, Dad, the one who needs to hear. Take care of yourself. I am going to be honest with you today, because I think you need to hear this from someone who genuinely cares. You cannot pour from an empty vessel, and right now, many of you are running on empty. The stress you carry it quietly. You do not talk about the jaw that tightens when the bills are due. You do not mention the shoulders that have not relaxed in years. You push through the tiredness because that is what you were taught. Strong men do not stop. Strong men do not complain. But here is what I know. Strong men also die early, and your family does not need you to die strong. They need you to live long. So I am asking you today, as a direct request, book that appointment you have been putting off. Take that walk you keep saying you will start tomorrow. Choose the food that heals your body, not the food that just fills it. Sleep. Actually sleep. Not just close your eyes, but truly rest. Because every healthy choice you make is a love letter to your family. It says, I intend to be here for a long time. And think about your children watching you right now. Every time you choose your health, you are giving them permission to choose theirs. You are building a family culture of wellness that will outlive you by generations. You are not just strong. You are a 7D father. And your physical dimension is your greatest long-term gift. Close. Take care of your body, Dad. We need you here. Not just working, not just providing. Here, present, healthy, alive. Happy Father's Day. This one is for you.